Neng. Oh, unki ko, unki ko. Get.
Now get ready for big splashes of fun at Birds of Play.
Sino ko mag-game? have it right there is a female bar pouch with one male. So to differentiate a female and a male is that female they have blue pouches, while male they have. Alright, okay, whenever you're ready, you can fly and check out the next box. The key and next box is to your right side. Hop along. Now that the little corn that we shoot it into it. Let's go! Next up on the land down under, we have Australian Pelicans. Let's go to Eastern Europe and welcome our Dalmatian Pelicans. That's the best long play super mamas of the wild, Winter Flamingos.
Welcome to the Kings of the Sky Birds of Prey presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Nelson, a white-bellied sea eagle. Now, the white-bellied sea eagles can be found in Southeast Asia. In fact, in the wild, these birds are known to predate. Oh, there we go, buddy, there you go. Now, I have a replica of a secret right over here. Will he be able to snatch it? Yes, he does. Let's give him a big round of applause, everyone. Southeast Asia. In fact, they are the largest eagles that you can find right here in Singapore. And if you're lucky enough, you might get to see, all right, a pair, or should I say a couple of white-bellied sea eagles flying around near the Jurong Bird Park itself, right? There you go. Now, the main source of diet for these birds consists of fish, but they're also known to go for smaller birds and mammals as well. Whoa, look at that low flight. Nice. Ladies and gentlemen, time to another turkey vulture. Turkey vultures can be found in the Americas, and they are pretty abundant in the wild. Close to about 10 million of them. As I mentioned earlier on, they have a keen sense of smell, so usually the turkey vultures are the first to reach a carcass. Now, they may be the first, alright, but they will not be able to consume the food as yet, because unlike their larger counterparts, turkey vultures do not have strong and powerful beaks to rip apart tough meat, so they will have to rely on larger vultures to help them out. And here's an interesting fact about the turkey vulture. They have got extremely acidic stomach acid, almost over the heads. There you go. Now, unlike other birds of prey, owls have this extremely soft and serrated edge at the tip of their feathers. So the sound frequency created by the wing flaps will have an acute to hunt for fish. So that makes them pretty unique, alright? Now I've got a big question for all of you. I'm pretty sure you're aware that owls are able to turn their head all the way to the back, right? Yeah, so the big crow, come on, Rado! Oh, look at that! Nice catch there! Well done, well done! Excellent, well done. Well, that's not it. Birds like Rado are also capable of... Whoa, very nice! Whoa, that's nice. Okay, one final throw. I'm going to move back a little bit. A bit more. So, ladies and gentlemen, the Himalayan river vultures can be found in the higher regions of the Himalayas. And during winter, young vultures are known to fly down south. When they do so, some of them tend to go out of course, and they end up lost in different parts of Asia. Just like that, he was found to be extremely weak and dehydrated right here in Singapore, in Orchard Road. This was back in 2005. Well, the authorities contacted us. We managed to rescue him and nursed him back to good health. Don't you think he looks pretty healthy right now? Yes, okay. All right, thank you very much, Genghis. You've done well. We're going to get to see more of your friends later on. Over. With one vulture descends upon a carcass, more will follow. Gentlemen, joining us in the arena right now, we have our group of scavengers. I'm going to start introducing them very shortly. First of all, you see the two tall ladies back there? Those are our manifold storks, and they can be found in Africa. They're known to coexist with vultures in the wild. And of course, we've got two different species of vultures right over here. The two big brown ones are the Cenarius vultures, and we have